हम्म. हाँ, yes, right angle triangle. It is right angle triangle. Hmm. Left side. Okay, now it is very much clear. Now let us start. Now chapter is name is complementary angle. Complementary angles means two angles, two acute angles. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. So both the angles are less than 90 degree. Then those two acute angles are complementary angles. Chapter number 25, complementary angles. So there are two acute angles. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. So two acute angles are complementary angles. We say that they are complementary angles if their sum is 90 degree. If total of both the angle is 90 degree, they are complementary. And if total of both the angle is 180 degree, then yes. If sum of both the angle is 180 degree, then what is that angle? Yes, 7th standard you have studied. If sum of two angle is 90 degree, they are complementary. If sum of two angle is 180 degree, they are supplementary. They are supplementary. So in this we have to study complementary angles. So let us take one triangle ABC. A is 70 degree, B is 90 degree, C is 20 degree. So B is 90 degree. So A and C, they are acute angles. A and C, they are acute angles. A and C, they are acute angle. A is 70 degree, C is 20 degree. Now angle A plus angle C is 70 degree plus 20 degree is 90 degree. So angle A plus angle C, their sum is 90 degree. So whenever sum of two angle is 90 degree, they are complementary angles. So in this triangle ABC, angle A and angle C, they are complementary angles. Angle A and angle C, they are complementary angles. Yes. Now let us derive the formula. All of you are able to hear me properly? Yes? Okay. Right. So two angles are complementary angles. Two angles are complementary angles if their sum is 90 degree. If their sum is 90 degree, they are complementary angles. So sum of two angle is 90 degree, then they are complementary angles. For complementary angle, both the angles are acute angles. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. So in this angle A is 70 degree, angle B, C is 20 degree. So angle A plus angle C, 70 plus 20 is 90 degree. So angle A and angle C are complementary angles because their sum is 90 degree. Now we have to derive the formula. See, this derivation part will not be asked in the exam, but you should come to know how that formula has been derived. Now let us take one triangle ABC. Angle C is theta. Let us take one triangle ABC. Let us take one triangle ABC. Angle B is 90 degree. Angle C is theta. What should be angle A? Yes, tell me. What should be angle A? Yes, anybody? Yes. 90 minus theta, because B is 90 degree and this is theta, so the remaining is angle A. Remaining will be 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. So and yes. Yes, that ratio we have to consider. So now I will find trigonometric ratio. Now I will find sine theta. Now my theta is the reference angle. So what is sine theta? Yes, tell me. What is sine theta? Tell me first. Sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Are you getting? So that is AB upon AC. So sine theta is AB upon AC. Now let us take this as reference angle, 90 minus theta, and we find cos of 90 minus theta. Now let us take reference angle as 90 minus theta and we find cosine ratio. So what is cos of 90 minus theta? Now 90 minus theta, yes? No, because we have to establish the relation between sine and cos. Complementary angle relation we have to find. What is the relation between sine and cos? What is the relation between tan and cot? What is the relation between sec and cosec? That we have to find. So sine theta, first we consider reference angle theta, we find sine ratio. Then we consider reference angle 90 minus theta, find cosine ratio. So what is cos of 90 minus theta? Yes, cosine. Now this is my reference angle. So cosine is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Are you getting? So that is AB upon AC. So now this AB upon AC. So sine theta has value AB upon AC. Cos 90 minus theta has value AB upon AC. These two are same, and therefore right. Therefore sine of theta, these two are having same value. Therefore sine theta is cos 90 minus theta. Sine theta is cos 90 minus theta. So this is the first relation between sine and cos. Complementary relation. Sine and cos, complementary angle relation. That sine theta, if angle is theta, for cosine it will be 90 minus theta. The same I can reverse for, I can consider ratio cos theta, then I can find sine 90 minus theta. So the same formula I can write, sine 90 minus theta, sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So these two are formulas. Sine theta is cos 90 minus theta and sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So that, yes. Where? No, you will be given a right angle triangle, no? You will be given a right angle triangle. Or at right angle triangle hypotenuse exists. The opposite side of that right angle triangle is hypotenuse. So there is a trigonometric relation, complementary angle relation is between sine and cos. So this formula you have to remember. Sine theta is cos 90 minus theta and sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos theta is sine 90 minus theta and sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this formula we write in the bracket. This also you write. Wait, before we start exercise I have to explain. I have derived for sine cos, similarly I will derive for sec cosec. Step by step we go. First you have to understand and then we solve the problem. Because this is the chapter is easy, but if you don't understand you find difficult. So first formula is sine theta. This also you write in the bracket. Sine theta is cos 90 minus theta. And sine 90 minus theta, sine 90 minus sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. For example, what is sine 30 degree? Yes, tell me. What is sine 30 degree? No. Let us take sine 20 degree. Chalo. What is sine 20 degree? Use this formula, complementary angle. What is sine 20 degree? Yes, cos 90 minus 20 degree, that will be cos 70 degree. Are you getting? Cos 70 degree. Sine 20 degree is equal to cos 90 minus 20 degree by using this formula. Sine theta is cos 90 minus theta. So sine 20 degree is cos 90 minus 20 degree, that is cos 70 degree. Let us take cos 10 degree, cos 15 degree. Chalo. What is cos 15 degree? Yes. Yes. So sine 90 minus 15 degree, that is sine 75 degree. Are you getting? So by using, no, sum is not over. I am explaining. There is a complementary angle relation between sine and cos. This you have to remember formula. Sine theta is cos 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. These are the examples. Now I have to derive for sec and cosec. I have to derive for sec and cosec. So let me write for the same diagram. Let us derive the formula for cosec theta. Let us take the reference angle theta. And what is cosec? Yes, tell me. What is cosec? Cosec is reciprocal of sine, no? Yeah. So cosec is reciprocal of sine. So reciprocal of sine. So what is sine theta? AB upon sine theta is AB upon AC. So cosec theta will be AC upon AB. That will be AC upon AB. Now let us derive sec 90 minus theta. Yes. What is sec 90 minus theta? Tell me. So sec is reciprocal of cos. Sec is reciprocal of cos. So what is cos 90 minus theta? Cos 90 minus theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So sec 90 minus theta will be hypotenuse upon adjacent. That is AC upon AB. That will be AC upon AB. So these two are same value, AC upon AB, AC upon AB. That means these two are same. So you get cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta, or the same formula you can derive for others. That is sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta. Yes. So these two are formulas for sine cos. So there is a complementary angle relation between sine and cos. Cosec and sec. This pair you have to remember. Sine. Yes. We'll see that. So let us take one example for sec cosec. Let us take one example for sec cosec. So sine cos complementary angle relation. Then there is complementary angle relation between cosec and sec. Cosec theta is sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. Or cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Let us write this in the box. Cosec theta is sec 90 minus theta, or sec 90 minus sec theta. You write once, no? What is harm there in writing? How many times you will write, that will give you benefit. Example. Because now you will remember, after few days you will forget. So example, cosec 20 degree or cosec 25 degree. Yes. What is cosec 25 degree? So that will be sec 90 minus 25. That will be sec 65. Are you getting? Sec 65. Similarly, sec 15 degree or sec 15 degree. What is sec 15 degree? That will be cosec 90 minus 15 degree. That is cosec 75 degree. So you have to remember, there is a, we'll see that, no? First you learn step by step, no, how to use that. There is a complementary angle relation between sine cos or cos sine, then there is a complementary angle relation between sec, cosec, cosec, sec. Now let us see for tan cot. Let us do derive for tan and cot. You see what is that. So now for the reference angle theta, find tan theta. See, this derivation part will not be there, but you have to understand how that formula has come. No, this also you have to write. No, this you don't write this. This I have remained. Only that works here. Now derive for tan theta and cot theta. Find tan theta. Find tan theta. For the reference angle, find tan theta. Tan theta is opposite upon perpendicular upon base. That is AB upon BC. Now we find cot 90 minus theta. For the reference angle 90 minus theta, I will find cot 90 minus theta. What is cot 90 minus theta? Yes, what is cot 90 minus theta? That will be adjacent upon base or perpendicular upon base, that is AB upon BC. AB upon BC. So these two are same, AB upon BC. So you will get tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta, or you can say tan 90 minus theta. Because once we are considering the ratio tan for theta, then we find the complementary angle of tan. What is complementary angle of tan? Cot. What is complementary angle of sine? Cos. What is complementary angle of cosec? Sec. So that complementary angle relation we have to find. No, how we are saying, when I will give you the name of Krishna, you will associate that name with Radha. Yes or no? When I will say Ram, you will associate that name with Sita. Yes or no? So that complementary relation we have to find between the trigonometric ratio, sine, cos, complementary angle relation, then sec, cosec, complementary angle relation, then tan, cot. So have you understood that complementary angle relation we have to find? So let us take so tan theta, how we say? We say Radhe Krishna. So you will say cos sine. Somebody will say sec cosec. You will say Ram Sita. Then tan cot, you will say Shankar Parvati. Correct? Are you getting that complementary angle relation we have to find? So tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. So tan cot. Then tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Let us take the example. Tan 35 degree. Yes. What is tan 35 degree? So tan 35 degree, by using complementary angle relation, that will be cot 90 minus theta. So that will be cot 55 degree. Yes or no? Then similarly cot 65 degree. What is cot 65 degree? Cot 65 degree will be tan 90 minus 65, that is tan 25 degree. Yes. So see here, normally what is there? For trigonometric ratio of standard angles, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, we have the ready-made table. Yes or no? We have the ready-made table. But if the angle is not standard, then to find trigonometric ratio, we use this complementary angle concept. So this you have to remember. Sine, cos, you will say Radha Krishna. Correct? then sec cosec, Ram Sita, Sita Ram, then tan cot, you will say Shankar Parvati. So these three are complementary angle relation between sine cos, sec cosec, tan cot. Now let us see the problem based on this. Now there is nothing in this chapter. Once you have understood this, then there is nothing in this chapter. Let us start exercise 25. Yes. So this you remember. Why? In fact, this whole chapter should be given homework. What is there in nothing? Just wherever it is sine, convert that into cos, convert that into sine, cosec, sec, cosec, tan, cot, tan. Nothing else. We'll see. We'll see. Exercise 25. Exercise 25. First one. Evaluate first. Then you tell me. Second one is also easy. Third one is also easy. Sine, cos. But how you should solve that I am explaining. Let me. No. Let me do fourth one. Yes. Fourth one. Cos 55 degree. Cos 55 degree upon sine 35 degree upon sine 35 degree plus cot 35 degree upon tan 55 degree upon tan 55 degree. So we have to solve this. Cos 55 degree, there is no ready-made table. Sin 35 degree, there is no ready-made table. We have the ready-made table for standard angle. Sin 0, 30, 60, 90, 45. But we know the complementary angle relation between sine and cos, tan and cot. So sine and cos, so any one you have to fix and other you have to change. You fix cos, then change sine, or fix sine, change cos. Any one you have to fix. Let me change cos. Yes. So this cos 55 degree, I can write sine 90 minus 55 degree. Cos theta is sine 90 minus theta. Sine 35 degree we keep as it is. Any one you have to change, not both the change. This you remember, again I am telling you. You have to change only one part. Out of sine cos, one you fix, other you change. Do not change both this. Plus, now tan cot, let me change cot. Cot I can write tan 90 minus 35 degree. We'll see, no. Tan 55 degree. So sine 90 minus 55 degree is sine 35 degree. Again I am telling you, only one part you have to change. One you have to fix, other you have to change. Plus tan 55 degree upon tan 55 degree upon tan 55 degree. Sin 35 degree upon sin 35 degree is 1. Tan 55 degree upon tan 55 degree is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Answer is 2. Yes, I have cancelled only, no. Cancel 1 plus 1, answer is 2. So, if you change both the part, your calculation will not end. This you remember. So one part you have to fix, other you have to change. Then use the complementary angle relation between sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Now let me do eighth one. My dear, seventh is nothing. Is seventh and eighth, seventh. Now out of seventh and eighth, only one I will do. Let me do eighth one. What is there? Let me do seventh. Then you suggest me whether there is need to do eighth. Yes. So let me do seventh. And then you suggest me if there is any need to do eighth. Seventh and eighth both are important. 7 and 8 both are important. Now, seventh, wait, no, wait, you are telling and then you are doing the magic and getting the answer. Huh? Seventh, sine 15 degree into cos 15 degree minus cos 75 degree into sine 75 degree. Yes. So what I have told you, out of sine and cos, one you have to fix, other you have to change, not both. So in these two, sine cos, sine 15 I will fix, and then cos I will change. So what I can write cos? I can write cos theta as see here, cos theta as sine 90 minus 15 degree. Are you getting? Cos theta as in everywhere here also, whenever sine and cos are together, there also sine and cos are together, there also cot and tan are together. Whenever sine and cos are together, one you have to fix, other you have to change. So sine I have fixed, let me change cos. So cos theta is sine 90 minus theta. Now in this also, anyone you can change, anyone you can fix in this. So let me fix cos 75 degree I have. Anyone you can do. Cos 75 degree I have fixed. Then sin theta I can write cos 90 minus 75 degree. Yes. Anyone you can change. But one you have to fix. So that is sin 15 degree. Wait. In this, wait. Which I have fixed, yes. In this, which I have fixed. In this sine I have fixed, no. Sine I have fixed, so in this also I will fix sine. So sine I will fix, then cos I will change. So cos 75 degree will be sine 90 minus, yes, sine I have fixed. Sine 90 minus 75 degree. Then sine, No, answer will not come. Because you have to fix one. In this you have fixed sine, so in this also you fix sine. In this if you fix cos, then in this also you fix cos. So sine 75 degree into sine 75 degree minus sine 90 minus 75 15 degree into sine 75 degree. So they are same. Sine 15 degree sine 75 degree minus sine 15 degree sine 75 degree. Answer is 0. Answer is 0. Same thing for 8th. Yes. Now let me do second. Yes. Now second, which part? First one is easy. Yes. First one is easy. Any one you fix, other you change. Now let me do second. Let me do second square part. Sin square 35 degree. Sin square 35 degree minus cos square 55 degree. Yes. So one you fix. Suppose I am fixing sine. So sin square 35 degree minus cos I will change. So cos sine. So this will be sine square 90 minus 55 degree. So that is sin square 35 degree minus sin square 35 degree. Sin square 35 degree minus sin square 35 degree. Answer is 0. Yes. Answer is 0. Now let us do third one. Third one, now you can tell me the direct answer. Yes. Third one you can, second ka third. Third you can tell me the direct answer. Yes. Sin cos, sin upon cos will be, sin upon cos will become 1, tan upon cot will become 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Yes? चलो fifth one, cos square 25 degree. Fifth one, cos square 25 degree, cos square 25 degree minus sin square 65 degree, minus sin square 65 degree minus tan square 45 degree, tan square 45 degree. So there is a complementary angle relation between cos and sin. So one you fixed. I am fixing cos. So cos square 25 degree. Then sin I will write, sin square I will write cos square sin theta. Sin square theta is cos square 90 minus theta. So cos square 90 minus 65 degree. Minus tan square 45 degree. Tan square 45. So that will be cos square 25 degree. Minus cos square 90 minus 65 degree is 25 degree. Minus tan square 45 degree. So cos square 25 degree, this get cancelled. What is left? Minus tan square 45 degree. What is left? Minus tan square 45 degree is left. Now put the value. Yes. So minus tan square tan square 45 is tan 45 degree whole square. So what is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. Are you getting? So tan 45 is 1. So minus 1 square, answer is minus 1. It is, see here, it is not minus 1 whole square. This you remember. It is not minus 1 whole square. It is minus of 1 square. So minus 1 whole square is not same as minus of 1 square. So answer is minus 1. Answer is minus 1. Now sixth will be same. Sixth one. Let me do sixth one. Yes. So without fail, all of you write down your division and roll number in the chat box. That is required for the attendance. So there is a trigonometric relation between sin cos. This 3 minutes, only 3 minutes means it is more. 3 minutes. 2 minutes is also sufficient. Sin 77, 61. Sin 77 degree upon cos 13 degree square upon cos 13 degree square, then plus cos 77 degree, yes, ask. No, see here, this minus sign is outside. It is not minus sign with tan. It is minus is outside. Minus of tan square 45. It is not minus tan 45 square. This you remember. It is not this way. It is minus tan square 45. Whatever value of tan square 45 will be there, you have to attach minus sign to that. Are you getting? Okay. Minus 2 cos square 45 degree. Minus 2 cos square 45 degree. So there is a trigonometric relation between sin and cos. So sin 70 degree sines. Wait. Why is it cos? Wait, no. You also give me 2 minutes. No, extra. What is sometimes I will leave you 10 minutes early. So this is sin 90 minus 13 degree. Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. Plus cos 77 degree. Cos sin I have fixed. Here. Sin I have fixed. So this cos I will change. That will be sin 90 minus 77 degree upon sin 13 degree square. Sin 13 degree whole square minus 2 cos square. Yes, 2 cos square 45. What is cos 45? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 square. So this is sin 77 degree upon sin 77 degree whole square plus sine 13 degree upon sine 13 degree. You have to remember, one you have to fix, other you have to change. Minus 2 into 1 by root 2 square is 1 by 2. So this is 1 square plus 1 square minus 2 get cancelled 1. 1 square plus 1 square is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Answer is 1. Sine 77 upon sine 77 cancel. What is left? 1 is left. No. Yes. So this you have to remember. Only one you have to change. One you fix, other you change. Do not change both. And then, yes. Now then there is a trigonometric relation between, yes, sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Yes. Bye. Bye everybody. Bye. Take care. Enjoy holiday of 2 days.